Good morning, John Glenn. Today is Friday, February 3rd, 2023. I'm Gavin,
I'm Matthew.
and this is the view from the Falcon's Nest. If anyone is planning to play in the co-ed volleyball intramurals on Wednesday at 6 p.m. but hasn't turned in your team roster, see Mrs. Parent or Mr. Smith today. We have 2 junior teams, 2 senior teams, and only 1 team for freshmen and sophomores. We'd like to have another team for both freshmen and sophomores, so help us out. Help your class earn points for that spirit's sake.
Now we're just 26 days away from the SAT here at John Glenn. Students are taking advantage of our after-school sessions this month, including last night's English session and today's Ready, Set, SAT. Some of the other information about the test. If you're wondering what an acceptable score is on the test, 1,000 to 1,500 points is possible. Considering a good score is the most typical colleges and universities, a good score for a higher tier college is about 1,200 or higher, and the Ivy League schools require about 1,400. Yale, for instance, requires 720 to 770 for English, and requires about 740 to 790 for math. If someone has told you about guessing one letter for an answer because it is chosen more often than others on the test, don't believe it. The SAT is designed so that A, B, C, and D are the right answers on the same number of times. And that's today's Ready, Set, SAT. Now to weather with Tristan.
Good morning, John Glenn, and today for the weather, it's going to be cloudy with a high of 11 and a real feel of -4. Winds will be coming in from the south and southeast at 10 miles per hour now for the weekly forecast. On Saturday, it's going to be cloudy with a high of 37 and a low of 10. And on Sunday, it's going to be cloudy again with a high of 40 and a low of 31. And on Monday, it's going to be cloudy again with a high of 40 and a low of 27. And out of the main desk with sports.
John Glenn High School boys varsity basketball falls to Penn High School 88-44. Noah Dreibelbiz led the Falcons with 18 points.
Tonight, Glenn's Lady Falcons will play a 5-19 team in the semifinals of Bremen. Sectionals Knox is rated the 232nd and the best in the state, and Glenn is 243rd, but the Lady Falcons eliminated a Culver's Girl Academy team that was ranked even higher than Knox Tuesday night. Good luck to the girls tonight, and if they win, they are likely to play a 3-loss Tippecanoe Valley team for the title. Best of luck to our Falcon wrestling team as it heads to regionals rounds. After a highly successful sectional, the Falcons advance their most wrestlers to the final platforms. And now to lunch with Tristan.
Today for lunch, we're going to have jalapeno cheese bites, stromboli, green beans, a variety of fresh fruit, and tortilla chips. That's all I have for today, Falcons, and have an amazing day.